let's talk about this video transmitter. It's from AKK. It is the Race Ranger. Okay, there's the power plug, that white one, and here's the antenna. It's an MMCX connector there. Okay, and it's connected here to the flight controller. That's an F7 flight controller, and I used a red and black for power. This mentions that it's powering it with 9 volts DC. And 2 more wires, yellow and green, and I continued with yellow and red because I had no green, but those are the video signal and the smart audio. So minus plus, video signal and smart audio. Only those 4 wires are connected, and it has a microphone, so you can send video and you can send sound also. These headphones can be plugged in. It has a tip ring sleeve connector, and it's working in these goggles, Skyzone 02. Okay, flip them over and you have their ear out, so you have to connect these there. Okay, and as soon as everything is powered, the sound is transmitted along the video. You see the video there in the 2 eyepieces, and you hear the sound here, which is coming from here. So that's the pinout of the video transmitter. You have to use the first red and black, which is the positive and the negative. You don't need to use the second two. At least I powered my camera from the flight controller, and I have to use the video, the yellow, and the smart audio, the green. So first 2 and last 2 only. So let's try to power it, at least to see the LEDs. So it looks like that: red, green and blue LEDs. It has a heatsink. That heatsink is below. It's in contact with the carbon body of the drone and is transferring the heat into the body itself. And if you power on the goggles, then if I put this on my head, the goggles are on my head. Now I should hear this. I don't hear anything. Let's see, I have to increase the volume with this up. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I hear some sound. Yes, now I hear this. So on these Skyzone 02 goggles, you have to use these to increase or decrease the volume. It says up. Okay, and now I can hear the sound of my finger there. The sound is coming from the goggles itself.